What's going on, everyone? Today we are opening Upper Deck 2022-23 Hockey MVP. This is a retail blaster box featuring 6 cards per pack, 15 total packs per box. It's a lot of packs for a little blaster box. They feature the blaster exclusive gold script parallel of the base set. Collect all 50 high series star and rookie SP cards. May contain time-sensitive redemptions. Let's get into it. There's going to be a lot of base cards, I think. So we're going to kind of move through them. Look at all those packs in a blaster box. All right, here we go. Connor Brown to start it off. Brock Nelson. Quinn Hughes, Ice Battles. So they got that Ice Battles insert series. Braden Point. Andre Roman Josi. Alex Lafreniere. Lafreniere base. Here we go. Connor McDavid. Connor McDavid. Looks like that might be the, is that one of the gold script? Nice Connor McDavid there. Right behind him, Ice Battles, Philip Danault, William Nylander, and Igor. It's a pretty cool Connor McDavid card. Stoner. Moritz Seider, Ice Battles. There's Sid. Ryan Hartman. John Tavares. Johnny Gaudreau. Darcy, Ice Battles for the Avalanche. Joel Farabee and Marc-Andre Fleury. Josh Norris. Nazem. Brock Boeser, Ice Battles. Moving along here. Timo Meier. Jamie Drysdale. Leon for the Ice Battles. Taylor Hall. Morgan Riley. Carter Verhaeghe. Oliver Wahlstrom, Ice Battles. So you get quite a few of the, there's a checklist, Lucas Raymond. Looks like you get quite a few of the Ice Battles series. Ryan Suter for the Stars. There's a silver script base parallel. Landon Skog. Jack Hughes Ice Battles. Patrick Lane. Next pack. Matt Dumba, Ryan Johansson. There's a gold script base parallel. Josh Morrissey. So that's the gold script. Jeff Skinner Ice Battles. Silver script and gold. Cam Atkinson, Josh Morrissey, Alex Lafreniere. Nice Lafreniere insert. Jack Campbell Ice Battles. Cale Makar. Another pack. Again, it's a lot of packs for a blaster box, so get a lot of rip for the money. Drake, Jacob Markstrom, Braden, Ice Battles, Matt Boldy, rookies. Very cool. Ryan O'Reilly, Jake Robertson, Pierre-Luc Dubois, here we go. Pinpoints insert. These are cool looking cards. Nice hollow pattern there on the pinpoints. Tomas Ice Battles. A few more packs to go. Travis for the Flyers. Philippe. Here we go. Trevor Zegras. Domains. It's another nice looking card. There's some cool looking inserts in this series. It's a pretty fun rip. Nice hollow patterns on these cards. Cool looking Zegras. James for the Ice Battles. Tristan Jarry. 2 more packs to go. Casey Middlestat. Jasper Bratt for the Ice Battles. Adam Raska, rookies. Sean Coutier. Martin Necas. Last pack. Josh Bailey. Bo Horvat. Dawson Mercer. Silver script parallel. Devin Toes for the ice battle. Pavel and Jordan. All right, so like I said, lots of base, but also plenty of cool inserts. A lot of the ice battles. Good amount of rookies. The silver scripts and the gold scripts. It's a pretty fun rip. Not very expensive at all. And you get a lot of packs in a blaster box. So Boldy, that's pretty cool. Lafreniere. There's our gold script. Morrissey. A lot of the ice battles. And the man, Connor McDavid. All right, that's MVP hockey for this year. At least the retail blaster box anyways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.